Subscribe to our channel BDJS Techies and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech news. So hey guys, hope you guys are safe. Welcome to our next video on PC related content. Before starting the video, I need you guys to choose between AMD or Intel when it comes to processor. You choose by participating in the poll by clicking the I button on the top right. So let's start the video. Today in this video, I will be talking on AMD processor and I will cover all possible information on it. I will also say that if you have a fixed budget, then which AMD processor you should buy in that budget and also the reason for buying it. I promise you guys, at the end of this video, you guys will understand which processor is best for you. I also personally prefer AMD as it has more threads in compared with other competitors in the market, as more threads will help a lot of multitasking. And also for gaming, AMD processors are insane, as even they are cheap but provide utmost performance in short value for money processors. AMD processor also come with AMD Sync MI technology, which will tune power and performance, and this is possible by AMD's machine intelligence. AMD also bring with it Pure Power, which optimizes power consumption for longer battery life, and Precision Boost 2, which quickly rise clock speed for top performance, and also Smart Prefetch, AMD Store MI and more. These are all the features that AMD processor provide with it, which make it unique from other competitors in the market. So these are the reason to buy AMD processor. Now let's talk on which processor you should buy at different budget level. Those who have a budget of less than 10,000 and want to do 720p gaming but not so interested in multitasking like editing and rendering can go with Ryzen 3 3200G, which is an APU. That means it have much capable Vega 8 integrated graphics in it, and it comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. And this Ryzen 3 3200G is the best processor you can buy below 10,000 in the current market. And for those guys who have a budget of 10 to 15,000, you should go with the Ryzen 5 3400G, which again is an APU but comes with much improved Vega 11 graphics. It is a 4 cores and 8 thread processor, so you guys can also do multitasking like editing and rendering with ease. And the best processor for the budget between 15 to 18,000 is AMD's most sold processor, which is great for 1440p gaming and also for multitasking at high level, is the Ryzen 5 3600, which will cost you 15.5k. But for all that this processor offer, the price is kept very low, and this is the most value for money processor in AMD lineup. So if you guys have a budget of 15k, you should buy it, and you can also put an extra 1000 to buy Ryzen 5 3600X, which comes with slightly higher clocks. But overall, Ryzen 5 3600 is best for the money processor. And if you need the best of the best processor of AMD at the price tag of 25,000, then Ryzen 7 3700X is the beast you are looking for, which comes with 8 cores and whopping 16 threads, which is like heaven for multitasking. And with this beast, you can play 4K games at ultra settings with buttery smooth FPS. So guys, if you have a budget of 25k, don't think twice, just buy AMD's Ryzen 7 3700X. It will not fail you. And for those friends who want the premium processor that AMD could offer, can buy Ryzen 9 3950X, which is the most powerful processor with 16 core and 32 thread, but it will also empty your pocket as it costs 65,000. That's a huge money for all, as some of you can completely build a 65k gaming PC instead of spending 65k on just a processor. But given in price tag, it also delivers in heavenly performance in both gaming and multitasking. That's it guys, do participate in today's poll. And don't worry Intel fans, the video on Intel processor will also come soon. So if you guys enjoy watching our video, please do like and subscribe to our channel BDJS Techies. This is your friend Bharat signing off. Stay safe.